Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Santa Claus, local and long distance movers near me. A relocation that takes you more than 50 miles from your current location is considered a long distance move. If you're making a long distance move, please get in touch with us. Furthermore, we know that our costs are very competitive. We have a great working relationship with federal and state entities responsible for relocation. As a result of our collaboration, we're able to protect our clients and their belongings better. In addition, various insurance plans are in place to safeguard the interests of our clients during and after the move. You may get recommendations from people you know who have done business with us before or who live in the same neighborhood. For these years, our company has remained one of the top movers in town. All of our movers are properly licensed and insured, and they are also experts in their field. In addition, we're friendly and customer focused, and our ability to put our customers at rest is another one of our strong suits. Our rates are very inexpensive, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. You'll never be late for a relocation since we're always on time. A well thought out relocation strategy that considers all of your objectives and needs is something that we can help you with. Depending on the degree of complexity of the transfer, we may also be able to offer some advice on how to proceed. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Santa Claus moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.